Hi, I'm Lindsay, your Phoenix real estate market expert. Let's start off this month by talking about mortgage rates. Lots of commentary and news predicting rate cuts by the Fed this year, but Jerome Powell came out to say, not so fast, my friends. The economy and inflation are still hotter than he would like to see before they start cutting rates. Many thought we would see a rate cut coming in the March timeframe, but that's looking more and more unlikely by the day. Now, the federal funds rate isn't the same as mortgage rates, but it does have a direct correlation and a big impact on the direction of mortgage rates, which directly affects the housing affordability. So when we take a look at housing affordability here in Arizona, Arizona was once considered a very affordable geography compared to neighboring states like California. However, affordability has gone down significantly as of the last year, and the average family making $100,000 per year could only afford 25% of the homes throughout the Phoenix metro. Nationally, that number is closer to 37%. So a lot of you are likely feeling your budget stretching not as far as it once did in many areas, but especially in housing. So why is it that affordability continues to be an increasing issue here in Arizona? Arizona, once again, is in the top 10 states for inbound migration. Inbound migration is a great indicator that our market is still healthy and thriving. When the population is growing faster than housing supply, that's going to put upward pressure on housing prices. Additionally, we have a very strong employment market here and are continuing to see massive investments coming from companies moving headquarters or regional offices and even distribution centers to our market. Fun fact, more people are now moving to Arizona for job opportunities than retirement. This marks a huge shift from the long-standing reputation Arizona has had for retirees. Let's zoom in on the housing market a little closer here in Phoenix. We're starting off the year in a baby seller's market, which is barely noticeable to the average person. This is where demand for housing is slightly outweighing the supply of homes available, but only just a tidge. The way this will look to you is seeing less price cuts on active listing, days on the market are going to be tightening up a little, and less sellers agreeing to concessions in the initial contract. The slight seller's advantage will push the perfect turnkey home in the best areas to be a little bit more competitive, but this won't be happening across the board on all homes. By the numbers, we are still much lower on the number of transactions being done this year versus a historical norm. That doesn't mean prices will go down, that just means fewer deals are being made. More people are expecting modest housing appreciation this year, but if interest rates do eventually go down, that could dramatically increase demand and quickly tip us back into a more competitive seller's market and bring back bidding wars of years past. Although I'm still hearing some murmurs about people thinking prices are going to come down and we might have a wave of foreclosure, but most experts agree the bottom is likely already behind us and we are on our way back up now. Depending upon the condition, age, type, and location of your home could dramatically change what this picture looks like for you. So it's best to not take your housing advice from the internet and come directly to your trusted advisor, that's me, for support on any of your housing questions. As always, feel free to drop any questions you have into the comments, and I look forward to helping you with all of your Arizona housing needs. Have a great one.